University of New Hampshire Interoperability Lab, also known as the IOL, is a neutral, third-party test facility for the data communications industry. We provide test reports, test tools, hardware and software to accelerate product development in that critical space. We also serve as an experiential learning center and job for roughly 120 undergraduate and graduate students right here at the university. So the Interoperability Lab tests products, basically any product that connects to the internet at some level or another. So it could be the physical layer where it's physically connecting to another device, all the way up through software protocol, or even the application layer where you're testing a certain application that a user's interfacing with. So it's really a great opportunity for students participating in electrical engineering, computer engineering, or computer science, because we test across that entire stack of different networking protocols.
I currently work on the routing team, so I work with a lot of networking and routing protocols, testing them, either reviewing other people's work, troubleshooting problems that we're having with the current networks, testing for many well-named companies, and basically it's a lot of fun because you're able to challenge yourself in a way that the classes wouldn't challenge you. More physically, with actually getting to put your hands on a device and work with it is really cool, and you're able to feel really accomplished when you actually get a problem solved and it's like a real life situation, which is cool.
For Avenue, we work testing anything that's time sensitive. So like audio, for example, it needs to be played from the speakers at a given moment or it's late and useless. There are protocols related to that, like a protocol that computers use to agree on what time it is, a protocol that they use to guarantee to each other that they'll get them some data by a deadline, and some other communications protocols that they use to support those.
Some of the benefits that companies experience by testing with the IOL are the fact that we're a neutral third party and don't have a stake in the game, and provide the same test results no matter how large or how small the company is.
I really like working here because there are a lot of opportunities to learn things that you wouldn't be able to in your classes.
The most valuable part of working at the IOL for me is probably the real world work experience. Like I'm getting to, get to use tools and learn things that I wouldn't really get the opportunity to until I went out into the workforce. And so being able to have that even before I graduate is really valuable to me.
The Interoperability Lab is actually really unique. One, we are part of the university itself rather than an independent test facility, and there aren't a whole lot of third-party test labs that are underneath the university umbrella. We also really do a great job of blending the student experience where they're coming in and learning on-the-job skills with the really high-quality test data that we deliver to the companies themselves. So our two-part mission is to serve the industry and to educate students for jobs in the industry.
My favorite thing is that you're able to have all these different experiences and take it into the real world with you. Also, you're getting 4 years of experience on top of your college degree, which is great because experience is something that everyone's always looking for.